Hello viewers, how are you? Today our activity about A, B and C. Sky blue color in A, A is for apple, A double P, A double P L E, A double P L E, apple. Apple's leaf in green color and apple is in a red color. We have a red color apple. A is for apple, A double P L E, apple. Pink color and letter B, B, B in pink color. B is for boat, B O A T, boat. Boat is in yellow color. We fill yellow color and sky blue color. C in orange color, C is for car, C A R, C A R, C is for car and the car is in green color. Complete our activity A, B and C. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.